Farming has evolved significantly over the years, and with advancements in technology, modern tools have made agricultural tasks more efficient and less labor-intensive. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a hobbyist gardener, having the right tools can make a world of difference. Here's a comprehensive list of the top 10 best farming tools that every farmer should consider. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Drip Irrigation Kit. A drip irrigation kit is a highly efficient tool for delivering water directly to the roots of plants. This system is made up of hoses, emitters, and connectors that can be arranged to fit any garden or farm layout. By using drip irrigation, water waste is reduced because it minimizes evaporation and runoff, ensuring that plants get the right amount of water they need. This method also has the added benefit of helping to prevent weed growth and soil erosion. Drip irrigation kits come in various sizes and configurations, making them suitable for both small gardens and large farms. The ease of installation and maintenance makes these kits a valuable addition to any farming operation. Number 9. Earthway Precision Garden Seeder. This garden seeder is a great tool for planting seeds. It's manual, meaning you operate it yourself. This seeder is made to plant lots of different seeds accurately. It makes sure the seeds are all planted at the same depth and distance apart. You can change the seed plates in this seeder. These plates help you plant different kinds of seeds. The seeder is not heavy and lasts a long time. You can adjust how deep you plant the seeds with it. This makes sure they're put in the ground just right. This tool is super useful for people who garden or farm on a small scale. If you need a seeder you can trust for lots of different crops, this is a good choice. Number 8. Stihl Backpack Sprayer. The Stihl Backpack Sprayer is a handy tool used for applying fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. With padded straps and an ergonomic design, it's comfortable to wear, reducing fatigue even during long hours of use. This means you can focus on your spraying tasks without discomfort. Its high-capacity tank is a great feature, allowing you to spray for extended periods without needing constant refills. This is especially helpful for larger areas or farms where efficiency is key. Additionally, the adjustable nozzle gives you precise control over the spray pattern and coverage, ensuring that you apply treatments exactly where they're needed. Number 7. Honda FG 110 Mini Tiller. This is a small but mighty tool, designed especially for small gardens and tight spots. With its compact size, it's just right for those areas where bigger tillers can't reach. Powered by a dependable Honda engine, it works smoothly and effectively every time you use it. Despite its power, it's light and easy to handle. Starting it up is a breeze, thanks to its simple start system. You won't have to struggle to get it going, saving you time and effort. Plus, its adjustable tines mean you can adapt it to different types of soil and tasks, giving you versatility in your gardening. Whether you're working on a small patch of land, raised beds, or tidying up the edges of your garden, the Honda FG 110 is up to the task. It's perfect for gardeners who want a reliable and straightforward tiller to help with their cultivation needs. Number 6. John Deere 1025R Subcompact Tractor. For farmers who have big farms, the John Deere 1025R Subcompact Tractor is a really good choice. This tractor can do lots of different jobs like cutting grass, plowing soil, moving things around, and lifting heavy stuff. It has a strong engine and a special kind of transmission called hydrostatic transmission. You can also add different tools to it to do even more jobs on the farm. The 1025R tractor is tough and can last a long time. It's also easy to use and comfortable. It has a seat that supports your back well and controls that are easy to reach. Whether you have a small farm or a big one, the John Deere 1025R is a great tractor that can do all the farm work you need it to. Number 5. Wheel Hoe. The Wheel Hoe is a classic tool that's good at weeding and taking care of soil. It's powered by pushing it, and it has a strong wheel. You can change the parts on it, like the cultivator teeth, ploughs, and oscillating hose. With the Wheel Hoe, you can be very precise when you're weeding and cultivating. This means you won't need to spend as much time using a regular hoe by hand. It works especially well for keeping rows of crops neat because it can move around plants without hurting them. People who like to farm organically or who want to be gentle on the soil find this tool very helpful. Number 4. Small tractor plow. A tractor plow is important for getting big areas of land ready for planting. It's a tool that connects to a small tractor and is used to turn over the soil. This helps bury old crop leftovers and weeds, making a nice clean area for planting seeds. The blades of the plow are made to cut through tough soil and break it up. This makes the soil better because it lets air in and helps water drain away. Using a small tractor plow saves a lot of hard work that would otherwise be done by hand. It's useful for farms of all sizes, whether they're small or big. Having one can make farming more efficient and easier. Number 3. Echo Pro Paddle. The Echo Pro Paddle is a clever accessory made for the Echo series of power tools. It's great for tidying up debris, leaves, and even light snow on your farm paths or in your garden. With a strong rotating paddle, this tool swiftly and effectively clears away unwanted stuff. Plus, it's simple to attach and lightweight, so it won't be a hassle when you're working. This paddle is tough and durable, built to last through plenty of use. It's not just for one job either, it can handle a range of tasks, making it a handy tool for any farm. Whether you're cleaning up after a windy day or clearing a path after a light snowfall, the Echo Pro Paddle is up to the task. Number 2. Terrateck Multi-Row Seeder. This multi-row seeder is an essential tool for farmers who are serious about their work. It helps them plant many rows of seeds at once, which makes planting much faster. This tool is great for farms that are not too big or too small. One of the best things about this seeder is that you can change how far apart the rows are. This means you can use it for different kinds of crops. Seeds need to be planted at the right depth and distance from each other, and this seeder does that perfectly. Using the Terrateck multi-row seeder saves farmers a lot of time and energy. It makes planting easier and quicker, so farmers can get more done in a day. That's why it's a smart investment for any farmer who wants to boost their productivity. Number 1. Gloria Gardenboy Plus. The Gloria Gardenboy Plus is a versatile tool designed for both professional and home use. It's an electric soil tiller that makes light work of loosening soil, making it ideal for preparing seed beds. With its powerful motor and ergonomic design, it can break up soil effortlessly, saving you time and physical effort. The adjustable handle ensures comfort during use, and its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. This tool is perfect for cultivating small to medium-sized gardens and can also help in mixing compost or fertilizer into the soil. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.